Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of the 2025 Audi RS3. What can we expect from this powerhouse? Let's explore. The 2025 Audi RS3 is here, but what sets it apart from its predecessors? With a bold design and striking lines, it's certainly eye-catching. But what's under the hood? Packed with a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine, the RS3 delivers an impressive 394 horsepower. How does that translate to real-world performance? It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. But speed is just one aspect. How does it handle? Thanks to Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive, it handles like a dream. What does that mean for the driving experience? You get unrivaled grip and stability, making every turn exhilarating. Now, let's talk interior. Audi is synonymous with luxury, but how does the RS3 balance comfort and sportiness? High-quality materials and a driver-centric layout create an inviting space. And speaking of modern, the RS3 is loaded with technology, including a sleek digital cockpit. But is it user-friendly while driving? Definitely. The layout is intuitive, allowing for easy access to controls. But what about safety? The RS3 comes with advanced safety systems designed to protect you at high speeds. Can you truly enjoy the thrill without worry? Absolutely. Audi's commitment to safety ensures a thrilling yet secure ride. So, is the 2025 Audi RS3 the ultimate performance car? With its combination of power, handling, and luxury, it's definitely a strong contender. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe.